Hi, my name is Dr. John. I'm a dentist here at Short Smiles Dental. I really am here to make you smile and enjoy the mouth that you have. Prolotherapy injections are a way that we can use your own cells to help repair and regenerate your joint. We draw blood from you and we spin it in a centrifuge to pull out the healthy reparative cells, and then we re-inject that into your joint. We do 3 on each side, and then we do a 4th injection with ozone. And what that's able to do is repair the disc and the surrounding structures around that disc. That way you get the relief from all your symptoms. So if you're someone who suffers with pain or dislocation or weird movements or clicking in your jaw, with the injections we can help regenerate everything to fit in a better position and give you relief from pain and discomfort. Initially, we recommend 3 separate treatments, each spaced about 2 months apart. After those 3 treatments, it's based on your symptoms thereafter. If you feel complete relief, excellent. If you still feel that there's problems going on, we base it off of how quickly your symptoms are returning. If that's every 3 months, every 6 months, once a year, we'll base it on each patient's needs. So with prolotherapy, you can experience almost immediate results of relief of pain and relaxation in the joint itself. With the injections, we also include a little bit of Novocaine to help relax the nerves in the joint itself so that you don't feel any discomfort. So laser treatments for TMJ includes Nd:YAG laser that we shine onto the area or any surrounding affected areas of the joint that cause you any discomfort. What that laser does is it penetrates through the skin and activates your cells, and the ATP in those cells, or the energy, help recover and get relief from all the discomfort you've been experiencing. So here we have a photona laser that has both erbium and Nd:YAG wavelengths in it. We can use these lasers to help regenerate and fix problems that you have with your joint. It's a green light laser that we can shine at the site or any of the surrounding structures. What it does is it activates the ATP in your cells, or the energy in your cells, to help give you maximum recovery and relief from your symptoms. With the laser treatments, we do recommend that you start with 3 sessions, each one spaced a month apart. After those 3 sessions, then we kind of base it off of your individual symptoms. If you notice that your symptoms are coming back quicker, we can always opt to do more treatments for it. Or if you're feeling a lot better over 6 months to a year, we can space it out as needed. If you like this video or if you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us to schedule your consultation today.